Stable CO2 welding starts with fixture datum, torch posture, shielding gas, and spatter control. A robot can repeat the path, but weld quality still changes when clamp position or torch distance drifts. In the footage, the torch works inside a fixed welding cell, so access, extraction, and cable clearance matter. EVST checks workpiece locating, welding current, travel speed, wire feed, fume extraction, and safety boundary together. A common mistake is judging only arc stability while ignoring fixture changeover and cleanup recovery. A stable cell links clamping, welding parameters, slag and spatter cleanup, inspection, and maintenance into one loop. This fits brackets, sheet metal frames, equipment housings, and repeated CO2 or MAG welding tasks. EVST can configure robot reach, welding source, fixture, extraction, and acceptance checks around seam location.